Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you. It's from the Flying Monkey Totes, and I believe it's the Beltane box. So I'm pretty excited to share it with you. Once I get it opened. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I open it. So this is a little different. We have this, ooh, as an addition to the box, it looks like. And our box. Just make sure there's nothing else floating in here. Okay, so our magical box. I'm always excited to see what beautiful painting she's going to do. Oh, wow. This is absolutely stunning. And I can't believe how many colors are in here. Wow. Check that out. Absolutely stunning. Hand painted all the way around. Beautiful for Beltane. Absolutely beautiful. And this box has its purpose. When we open it up, she lines it with red velvet and fills it with Beltane goodies. So we have our pretty card. This is her card. And her information. We got cute, ooh, kitty cat tarot stickers. And a sun. That looks like, that might go on a window, like a prism. All right, let me just put this, there we go. We have cleansing smudge mix, white sage, cedar, and sweet grass. So we have a smudge for charcoal. We have red velvet cake. Ooh, nice tea, red velvet cake. We have beautiful rose petals. We have, looks like a rough crystal. Maybe it's aventurine, I'm gonna guess. It's a nice big size too. I'm not gonna open this, but this is a charcoal disc for the smudge blend. Let's see. Ooh, whatever's in here is very, very shiny. Let's see. Don't want to break anything. Oh. I believe, if I'm correct, that this is a fairy or a wing. I can't tell. My lighting is terrible. I think it's a wing. It's beautiful. Fluorite. Looks like a wing of a fairy. Very beautiful. And then we have this little bag here. Ooh, what's in here? What's in here? Oh, it's tied. Hopefully. Okay, let me see. Oh. Two different tarot earrings. One's the Hangman and one's the High Priestess. That is pretty cool. I like that. That's awesome. So the stone, the rough stone is green aventurine. This is the contents of the box. Charcoal disc. Purple fluorite is the wings. Info on the rose petals. And she puts them on pretty cardstock. This is Palo Santo and copal sticks in here. And then we have our pretty candles wrapped up nice and tight. Remind me to get a razor in here so I can get this stuff open without breaking anything. Okay. So they have some oil on them, which is what I would do as well. So it's seeped in a little bit. All right, so we have some pretty awesome beeswax candles, green, and they're dipped with this gold or brown, and it has a nice key. And then we have butterflies and information on that. Beltane and info on that. That one. We did those. Okay. Oh, and then the big item right here. So the contents are the hand-painted butterfly fairy, the Beltane ritual, and instruction ingredients. Then we have the incense, which is Palo Santo and copal sticks. The herbs are the rose petals and, cleansing smudge mix. The jewelry is antler necklace, or you get a stained steel tarot earrings. I got the stainless steel tarot earrings. We got this beautiful, I think it's like a cast iron feeling, smudge pot. Awesome, that's nice, really nice size. The tea is red velvet cake, and the info cards and instructions. And then we have this beautiful, and this is our Beltane ritual. Two sides. Let me know what you think of our beautiful Beltane box. I absolutely adore it. I always do. I mean, the energy that she puts into her boxes, the beauty, I just love them. Thank you guys for watching. I'll leave her information down below, and have a blessed Beltane.